Hello, welcome. Question number 21. The polynomial g of x is giving us 2x exponent 3 plus 3, 2 exponent x exponent 2 plus qx minus 1. It has the same remainder when divided by the linear function x plus 2 and x minus 1. We have to find the value of what q in that word function. Now, if it has a remainder when divided by the linear function, it means that the zeros of the linear function when plugged into the function will give us that remainder. So if I put in the zeros of this into the equation, the remainder is going to be the same as doing so with this. So let's find the zeros of x plus 2, meaning if you equate that, that will imply that your x will be equal to negative 2. So now let's change the function from x to negative 2. Wherever I see x, I am going to put in negative 2. So 3, negative 2, q, negative 2 minus what? 1. Remember, as the power is an even odd number, the result will give you a negative number. So we just find 2 squared, the power 3, and that will be 8. 8 times 2 will give us what? 16. This is even number as a power, so the result will be positive 4. Times this will be 12. This will be negative. So we have plus what? 12. In the case of this, will be negative 2q minus what? 1. So let's simplify this further. 16 here from here, since this negative, you get what? A negative 4. And negative 4 minus this will be negative 5. So if I have g of 2, the answer will be negative 5 minus what? 2q. This is the remainder when we use this linear function. Let's see, if I have x minus 1 equals to 0, that implies that x is equal to what? 1. So let's see what the remainder will also be. So g of 1 will be 2 into bracket 1 to the power 3, 3, 1 to the power 2, then plus, let's say q, 1 minus what? 1. Let's do that further. And 1 to the power 3 or 2 or 1 remain what? 1. So this is just 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus what? Q. And by that, we have 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 4 plus what? Q. We are saying that the remainders is going to be the same. So this result is the same as that result. Let me see if I can just say that g of 2 is the same as what? G of what? 1. Meaning minus 5 minus 2q should be the same as 4 plus what? Q. Let's group the like term and see. Let's bring the 4 here as negative 4. Q is already there. Negative become plus what? 2q. You know, when you subtract this, you get negative 9. When you add 1q to 2q, it becomes what? 3 what? Q. Let's divide both sides by 3 and see that q is going to be a negative what? 3. Let's check the options and see. That will be option C. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back for question 22.